Now may I request Professor M.N. Channabasappa, the Director of Siddhaganga Educational Institutions, a great professor, a teacher to me too, out of classroom, to make a brief presentation about Sri Siddhaganga Math and his holiness.
ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹರಗುರು ಚರಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Respected chief guest of the morning's program, Madam Sonia ji, all the invitees, guests and media friends, a very good day to all of you. I am an old boy of Siddhaganga Gurukula. I joined Siddhaganga as an 8-year-old kid and studied there for 14 years from 1941 to 1955. Our revered Swamiji was born on 1st April 1908 in Veerapura near Bangalore. He was known by the name Mr. Shivanna before he became Shivakumar Swamiji in 1930. Mr. Shivanna had his early education in the village schools of Palanahalli and Nagavalli and came to Tumkur for high school education. He rented a room and prepared his own food. By 1927-28, he was about to complete his entrance examination to the university. Plague came to Tumkur. The healthcare was poor. The only alternative for people was to move away from the affected area. Mr. Shivanna approached the then head of Siddhaganga Math, Sri Uddana Swamiji, for accommodation in Siddhaganga for about 3 months. The admission was refused. Shivanna had to go back to his village, resulting in a year loss of 1 year. He came back to Tumkur again and continued his studies, again with the same self-cooking arrangement. Again plague struck Tumkur. Again Shivanna approached Sri Uddana Swamiji, and this time Uddana Swamiji was kind enough to accept his request, and he was admitted to Siddhaganga Math for about 3 months. This was the only link between Shivanna and Siddhaganga Math. A similar incident that happened 4 centuries earlier in England. In 1966, due to plague, the University of Cambridge closed, thereby sending one of its promising young physicists, 23-year-old Sir Isaac Newton, to seek refuge at his family's estate in Lincolnshire. It was in Lincolnshire, not in the clinical setting of a Cambridge laboratory, that the sight of an apple falling to the ground inspired Newton to develop the theory of universal gravity. So we people should be grateful sometimes to incidents that have no direct relationship with it. But our Swamiji, our Shivanna became Swamiji because of that particular instant. Many a time people ask His Holiness Sri Shivakumar Swamiji about the secret of his health. His first reply is, it is grace of God. His immense faith in God that has perhaps protected every one of us in this campus. That is the opinion of all concerned. Swamiji's itinerary starts at 2:30 a.m. and he is attending to his studies. He reads a lot. Then with puja by 6:30 a.m. in his office, and this continues till 11 o'clock in the night. Some people ask him, Swamiji, have you seen God? Sometimes he says, yes. Can you show us the God? The 9,000 kids that are throughout this particular area, each one of them is God. That is his reply. Regarding admission of students to Siddhaganga Gurukula, Swamiji has no choice to say no to anybody. If he says there is no seat, the parent and the child would challenge Swamiji, if you say no, where else will we go? Therefore, they get admitted. That is the reason why the infrastructural facilities are always short of admissions that happen in this particular campus. Thousands of persons like me who have got educated because of Siddhaganga Gurukula, they work throughout the country and abroad. Even the alumni of Siddhaganga Gurukula in America, they have formed an association named Siddhaganga Humanitarian Mission to be able to serve the alma mater to the extent that is possible. Our alumni, they meet once a year. That is great homecoming for all of them. And it is great joy to the mother Sri Shiv Kumar Swamiji, because all of us have been mothered for so many years by His Holiness. That is a great occasion when they meet once a year. In that particular meeting, Swamiji or anybody else will not demand any help from their alumni. Swamiji advises them, be truthful wherever you are, be maintaining honesty and integrity, help the poor. This is the return that I expect from you every year. So friends, may I join all of you in praying God to grant His Holiness long and healthy life. Thank you very much.